According to the 2019 intimacy survey conducted by Skin Condoms, Doggy style ranks the most popular sex position entertained across bedrooms. But that's not a huge surprise. This, from behind, favorite has been around for just about as long as people have been having sex. That's probably why it has a home in the holy grail of sexual literature, the Kama Sutra. According to psychologist Jason Albert, you can find it indexed under the somewhat unfortunate title, "But why settle for what's good when you can turn it into something great?" Number 1. Go low. Doggy style typically requires the individual on the receiving end to position themselves on their hands and knees. But a slight pivot can allow for an even more intimate experience. Instruct your partner to extend their arch and support themselves with their elbows instead of their hands. This allows for deeper and more pleasurable penetration. Number 2. Tighten up. Ask your partner to position their legs close together, with yours positioned on either side of them. The closed position will provide increased sensation during intercourse. Plus, it allows your partner to better control the depth of penetration. That's something they might appreciate. Number 3. Get handsy. The nice thing about this position is that it leaves your hands free. Of course, that doesn't mean they should remain idle. Use the opportunity to hit some of your partner's erogenous zone. The nipples are just a reach away. If you head a little further south, you'll arrive at the clitoris. Give it some attention, and give her a better shot at orgasm. Number 4. Introduce a little something special. Doggy style provides the perfect canvas to decorate with some kink. Think about giving your partner a light spank, or maybe grab hold of their hair. Let's be honest, sex can sometimes get a little stale. These kinds of moves can inject some life back into the room.